How to download Tinder on your Android phone. So first go ahead and open Play Store. After you open the Play Store, your screen should look something like this. Here you'll see three options on the bottom of your screen. Simply tap on the bottom right corner of your screen. Then you'll see a search bar at the top of your screen. Simply tap on it and type in Tinder. After you type in Tinder, you'll see an app with 100 million plus downloads. Simply tap on the install button right here, and after a few moments, Tinder will be installed on your device and you can freely chat and meet friends online. And it is that easy. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.